Hello,
Hello,
what is your name?
my name is Armando Gamboa Pavon.
How old are you?
Uh, I am 23 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in San Martin, Cesar.
Are you single or married?
I am married.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have a one children.
Okay. Who do you like wife?
I live with my daughter and my wife.
What are you studying?
I am a study industrial engineer.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are play soccer and play video games.
Where do you work?
I work in a oil palm plantation.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Uh, I am an intellectual man. I like to play sports. I am dedicated to masonry, in which I have approximately 3 years old experience in the position, and I am currently working in an oil palm plantation.
What are your strengths?
Good, good training. I know my preference and interest in reading my professional career. I am a communicative person. I have continuous learning attitudes and I have knowledge about technologies and communication with the different currently social networks.
What are your weekends?
Need to improve in English and, if possible, in another language. I am very self-demanding and strong decision making.
What is your biggest achievement in life?
Have the opportunity to continue training to acquire more knowledge in different industries.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Working in one of the best companies in the country, with the position of general manager, and this start my own company.
Why do you want to leave your home?
Because it is not according to that I am studying, and there I do not put into practice the knowledge acquired during my training, and because of the low economic income that I receive from it.
Why do you want to work for us?
Because here I can find better hope and economy opportunities, and I can perform the work for which I have trained as a professional and as a person.
What are your salary expectations?
My salary expectation will be at least the two minimum salaries, but I will be in accordance with that is stipulated by their salary structures according to the position they occupy.
Can you tell me about yourself?